Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your videos less shaky on CapCut PCs. I'm just going to use this video. I'm not sure if it's going to really have a big difference on the video, but this is just an example. You can obviously use your shaky video. So select stabilize here, and you are just going to select either the recommended level, the minimum cut, or the most stable. I usually select the most stable one and just wait for it to process. It does take longer if your video is longer, so try to make the video as short as possible. But that is it really. If you pick most stable, it will, I guess, like cut a few of your videos, and it won't be like the full video. I guess like it's going to zoom in a little bit. But that is basically it. It is super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!